house fairy in Cambodia. So it's called Echo Super that was established in 1994. Yeah, and about in 1994 we only just open small school, like a small school. But we also attached to private company in 2003. Yeah, and about the employees who work in here, 200, yes, 200 people plus. And here you will see, yes, like the mulberry plantation.
Where they grow the
Yeah, we need to use cutting, and then we see to feed the caterpillar, the silkworm, so they can cocoon making. Yeah, and already finished cocoon, we can put into the hot water, easy get the silk, yeah, get the strings, yeah, easy like a bobbin making. Yeah, before we did exchange different color, the ikat, tie dye. Yeah, and then we move them together into the traditional looms. Yeah, with scarves, with skirts, baby. So all of this you will see again outside. Normally 5 meter to 10 meter long.
That's why they
Yeah, what the worm eating. So I offer to you, you can take this leaf to feed the worm in the house. Okay. Where if the silkworm they only stay in the house, and what for this house? If they stay out, like the heat, the birds will kill them. Yeah. So we every day just leave cutting from outside. Yeah, around over there. We also have 4 acres.
all for the one.
Yeah, for the worm that we just leave cutting. So this silkworm they only stay in this house that we call the cocoonery. Okay, we start cutting. And we every day put the water potting like this. You see, stop there. The ants. Yeah, the red ants. Yeah. This is the mask or the silk butterfly. We just take them for mating. You see the new eggs. Yeah.
These are eggs? Or what?
Yeah, all of these the eggs. And which male and which is female. Normally smaller is male, bigger one female, and they mating for 12 hours. Yeah. Okay. And let's go. We start continue to see the life cycle of silkworm.
Can I
About
take a picture of this?
yeah, enjoy. Yes.
Chị tình kia đấy con thọt từ đúng.
Yeah, and the last call all of them about 47 days, like male and female mating for 12 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, and already finished 12 hours, like more 3 days the male will die, and about female, like 5 days die also. But
After
already
when they
lay
lay
eggs. Yeah, and each female can lay eggs about 300 eggs. Yeah, and then the egg more 10 days they will become the hatching. Yeah, and the hatch just more 4 days growing to be the worms, young worms. So they can live eating 25 days. That they, the first time, the first stage, live eating 3 days, sleep 1 day, and then again starting second last day, yes, until 5th last day. That be totally 25 days live eating. So and then 26th day they will turn into yellow color. So it means that when they still baby, the color inside green. But when they too old, turning to yellow color. It means that a lot of silk inside. So stop eating and start cocoon making 5 days. And how they make the silk? Just from the sun level. Yeah, they take time 3 days to 5 days for cocoon making. And then this caterpillar will become the pupa. Yeah, pupa that's still alive inside. And then the pupa inside 10 to 12 days more will transform to the moth. Yeah, the silk butterfly. Do you know what happens when they are become the moth inside? Yes, the like the pupa inside.
Oh, they became like a jelly.
Yeah. And then the pupa inside will transform to the mouth, right? And the mouth need come out. So what happen when they come out? All the silk will broken. We can't use. So we need separate them like 20% for reproducing. And about the last 80% of silk cocoon that still alive pupa inside, we'll dry them in the sunlight. Why we need dry them? You know, because easy kill the pupa inside. Yeah, if they become the butterfly will come out, right? So all this silk will broken. We cannot use. So 20% for reproducing. About the last 80% will boiling them into the hot water or dry in the sunlight. And again, it's cocoon about 400 meters long. It's cocoon, but two different layers. Oh, easy. So this is the first layer that we normally call raw silk. Yeah, rough silk. Yeah, 100 meter long of the raw silk. And
100 meters.
yeah, 100 meter long.
Okay, yeah.
So, and then this is just the second layer. Yeah, we call the fine silk. About 300 meters long. Fine silk.
This would be like the better quality.
Yeah, better quality, like number 1 and number 2 quality. So all of this you will see again.
Okay.
Now, yes, the eggs become the worms. Yeah. We can call the caterpillar.
Wow.
They are 16 days old.
Can I take a video?
Yeah, it's
Akao mới đôi từ kia đấy không?
Crown 3 ដូចគ្នាមួយដូចគ្នា
តើបង
16ថ្ងៃ You can take easily, yeah, drop on the nose, and we can feed them. In 1 minute they start eating, so they also need to smell. If you want get them put on your hand, you can. Yeah, because this silkworm not dangerous and really cold. Yeah, really cold and soft body. Right? You scared? Okay, today 23 days old like this. Oh, yeah.
23 day, yeah?
Yeah, 23 days.
Oh, big one.
More 3 days, they will start cocoon making.
Anh ấy mà ngay ôn này nè.
Nếu anh có một hệ này.
20 day này.
20 days.
And then the other is 23
days.
23 day. Yeah, we sit the 23 day.
They eat so fast. Yeah. Okay, you can look at this. Today they are 26 days old. Yeah, turning to yellow color. When they turn into yellow, we will get from over there and put each other basket. Because they
Just
easy.
one by one?
Yeah, one by one. All by hand. Yes. Okay, and okay, that's still pupa alive inside. Now the worm become the pupa, you can shake. Oh, still inside, still alive. So this is like 20% we need to save them for reproducing native later. The rest just outside. Okay, the white is yellow color because of the worms. Sperm when they're older, it turns into yellow. Really different from other country that normally white color. Only is yellow.
Oh, you also have a water here.
Yeah.
Not all the
Water
insects to
normally for the ants. Yeah.
eat them?
They can kill them, eat them, yeah. Like the red ants. Yeah. 5 days, yeah, you see kill the pupa inside. That is still alive, right? And that is easy for us start continue boiling into the hot water. Yeah, for get the sweet. Do you remember how many liters this cocoon? Yeah, for the different layer, right? Roasting and punching. Yeah, and then for that we have different quality. Just roasting like this, like those, yeah, from the roasting. And about this, the fine. So 80 cocoons into the hot water. Yeah. And you can do to 3 powder roast here.
Can you take a video?
Yeah, you can. Get the skins, get them. Come out. And then combine it together. Just need to make a single one. So we will have to go. This is first layer roasted. About 15 minutes, the roasting will finish. And then we can cut the fiber, remove to the other step. This is second layer. Yeah, second step that we call the fine share. Ready different from the roasting that we like to do. So about the fine share, only 25 cocoon because stronger than roasting. Wow. And after that, we'll just combine together, make it more with more strong. About 30 minutes, 40 minutes each cooking. You just put together. Yeah, all this by hand and made. Okay, and at the beginning, just need to dry before washing, cleaning up. Just something that is out for the process. And then we can give them dye in color and other wood sauce. Already cut out, already washing cleaning. Yeah, and then dye in color. So we just put each of this. Yeah, then cut into the flow. Yeah, into this, bobbin spinning like this.
This will be the final product?
Yeah, not yet. It's just bobbin liquid, you see, remove to the loom. It's the final product. Here, 800 meters long and 5,000 square. Yeah, the big size one. Then we start so much more. Yeah, that is of strings.
Nghiệm mùi mà, nghiệm mùi nè. Nghiệm mùi.
So in 3 days to 5 days, one to finish, to set up. This is the platform. You see, to keep the product get up and down, up and down. So part of this you will see again at other websites. Major opportunity and for the design. That high and down. Just designing exchange different colors. White inside, just turn around the plastic and the left eye will dye into gray, blue, yellow, just high and down. All of these are tie around and dye it into the other color. Young temple. So we have a lot of temple in Cambodia. We are around 1,000 temples.
inside to the temple.
Again, like combine like this the function and like over here the water. It's soft and strong. When you start to move, keep head down. You see a change the pattern.
Nhiều muối rồi, nhiều muối.
This is from the farm.
Nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối. Nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối. Đặt lửa nè. Nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối. Thank you for visiting. Nhiều muối mà. Nhiều muối bằng trong sao kìa, nhiều muối, nhiều muối, nhiều muối. Đó, nhiều ạt này nè. Con sao nữa. Bằng dây nhiều muối, bằng dây trong sao kìa, nhiều muối. Trong sao kìa, và nhiều muối chết muối. Chơi vậy. Nhiều muối chết, muối chơi vậy.